This page is for every devotee and for people who want to know and learn about the Hindism straight from the ancient texts but don't know Sanskrit or Hindi. I'll be explaining all the shlokas in English. Tell me in the comments which series should I start next, astrology or Ramayana. So from today I will be starting the Bhagavad Gita. So let's begin.
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय.
King Dhritarashtra asked, O Sanjaya, what happened on the sacred